Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that many of you have been asking about, the Ailun 3-pack tempered glass screen protectors for the iPhone 11 and iPhone XR. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The Ailun screen protector is a set of 3 tempered glass protectors specifically designed for the iPhone 11 and iPhone XR, both of which have a 6.1-inch display. These protectors are crafted from high-quality 0.33mm tempered glass, providing maximum protection against scratches, scrapes, and bumps. However, it's important to note that they are not suitable for the iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone XS, or the iPhone 11 Pro Max models due to their different screen sizes. One of the standout features of the Ailun screen protectors is their design. Because of the rounded edges of the iPhone 11 and XR, the tempered glass does not cover the entire screen. This design choice is intentional and enhances compatibility with most cases, ensuring you can use your favorite case without any issues. Despite not covering the entire screen, the glass maintains a high-definition clarity with 99.99% touchscreen accuracy, so you won't sacrifice the quality of your display. Another significant advantage is the hydrophobic and oleophobic coating on the surface of the glass. This means it's resistant to sweat and oil, making it easier to clean and reducing those pesky fingerprint smudges. This feature is particularly useful for those of us who tend to use our phones frequently and want to keep the screen looking pristine. Installation is often a concern with screen protectors, but Ailun has made the process as straightforward as possible. The package includes an online video installation guide that walks you through the steps, ensuring you can remove dust and align the protector properly before installation. With this guidance, you'll get to enjoy your screen as if the protector wasn't even there. So, who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're an iPhone 11 or XR user, this screen protector is an essential accessory. It's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their device in top condition, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves their phone. If you often find yourself in environments where your phone might be susceptible to damage, like at work, during outdoor activities, or while commuting, this screen protector is a wise investment. In practical use cases, you can imagine dropping your phone accidentally while checking messages or scrolling through social media. With the Ailun screen protector in place, you can have peace of mind knowing that your screen is shielded from potential damage. If you tend to carry your phone in your pocket with keys or other objects, this protector can also prevent scratches caused by those everyday items. To sum it all up, the Ailun 3-pack tempered glass screen protectors offer solid protection, ease of installation, and excellent clarity, making them a smart choice for iPhone 11 and XR owners. With multiple protectors included, you'll have backups ready whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.